Today we're going to do this look. We're going to use the Conspiracy palette and a Morphe palette and my new sponge by IMAGIC. Let me show you what it looks like new. So look at this. It comes in this little pack and it blows up to this. It has IMAGIC on there. And it has two flat sides and a flat top and a flat bottom. You can get in everywhere with this. And this has really impressed me. It's, I don't even think $5. And it is soft as anything. And it bounces and I love the color. So, and my new foundation. This is Wet n Wild Dewy. And it smells wonderful. In case you're wondering. So let's go. I did all my skincare. Now I'm going to do my sunscreen. I'm using the COLORSCIENCE. Sometimes I put it on with my fingers. And this gives you a luminosity too. I like to really double up on my sunscreen. So I'm going to take this CC Plus, just one squirt. And I'm using it as a primer and sunscreen. Like a base for my foundation. Oh, wait till I show you the foundation today. It's going to be a great one. Oh my God, it's like $6 and it's like, it has become one of my favorites. This is the NYX. I love to put this on with my brush. It's so much easier and quicker. And this is the white, the cream white. There's a white pearl, there's a flesh, and there's a black. This is the NYX. I did buy another one, so I bought one by e.l.f. I'm going to try out soon. So here we go. Boop, 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 boop. We're going to use the Conspiracy palette with my DOCOLOR brush. And I'm going to go into Tannicon and just put this all over. I'm going to go into Diet Root Beer. I'm going to take Victoria Beckham's Mink Lid Lustre. And it comes in a beautiful packaging. It has a little cover right here. Probably looks brownish to you, but I tell you, this thing looks more silver to me. It's kind of a duochrome. So it's got a chocolate brown, silvery, blue duochrome to it. It dries really fast on your eye. Now we're taking JACLYN Hill palette, the Morphe palette. And I'm going to take the burgundy. Now I always wipe my brush in between and I'll use a microfiber or an eraser. This is the eraser pads. And you can see the makeup on here. Now I'm going to make a wing with the purplish burgundy. Now let's put on a little mascara. I think we're going to go dark on the lips. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do number 70, matte inks. I'll show you a tip what you could do with the tissue. If you feel that you put too much foundation on, or it's too shiny, or you want to blot up oils, just take a tissue and go like this. Instead of powder. And there, you will get the residuals of the makeup. Okay, I'm going to put my eyebrows on. I'll show you how I do my eyebrows. I'm just going to make a line. And this is one of the best eyebrow pencils I've ever used. It's by BRENDA Christian, and it just matches everyone. There's one universal color, and it just depends how hard you press. It doesn't need to be sharpened all the time. So, you just go here with a light hand. You can't go wrong if you start in the back and you bring it up. You can't go wrong with that. You won't make a mistake. This blush happens to be excellent, excellent. It is blurring. The whole line of this Urban Decay Afterglow, they are all blurring. They're beautiful. This one is called Video. Okay, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the process. And this Wet and Wild, it doesn't smell like the other Wet and Wild Photo Focus. It goes on creamy, smooth. So it is the Photo Focus Foundation Dewy. And it has a dewy little label right there. And I'll see you next week. Have a great day, and if you haven't subscribed, there's a subscribe banner down below and a little bell, and share the video with your friends and family. That would just be so wonderful. And I'll see you in my next video.